Imagine earning $2 for every single click that you make. What if you could learn how you're going to transform your $2 into $50 with just one click? You could earn 50 times more than the normal person. And I know you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about. So make sure that you check out What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. All you need is a computer or a smartphone and this wonderful method. It's completely free and accessible to anyone, anywhere around the world. If you watch until the very end of today's video, I'm going to even give you something super special that's going to help you make an extra $500 to $600. Make sure you watch until the very end. Make sure you stay tuned so you don't miss out on that. I'm going to show you everything step by step, how you're going to sign up for a free account, and a ton of examples how you're going to do this. Now let's jump into the video. So I want you to take a look at these $2 earnings per click. For every click you make, you're going to earn $2, and how you're going to turn this $2 into $50. Step 1, you're going to visit this website called Morenage.com. Before you go there, you have to really watch this video thoroughly because I'm going to show you how you're going to do this step by step. First of all, I want you to go ahead and click on the button brand on the top, and from there it's going to take you to this page where you're going to find a ton of companies when you scroll down below, including Diet, Black Wolf, Fengold, Brutal Force, and even the well-known Zotrim. Now this means that you can promote a ton of different businesses for different opportunities and make a good amount of money online. Again, this is 100% free. You don't need to invest anything. You can access this from anywhere around the world. And I want you to check out the Zotrim affiliate program because this is where you can make up to $50 per sale. Now, if you do, I'm going to show you how to make $50 per click. A lot of people are only able to make $2 per click. But if you watch until the very end, I'm going to give you everything that you want to know and the secret to making $50 over and over again without having to exert any effort whatsoever. So again, all you have to do is click on Zotrim View Brand, and this is going to take you to the Zotrim affiliate program where you're going to make 50% for every transaction. Now I'm going to show you one example using the Zotrim company. Now again, you can find a ton of different other brands on this website. I'm going to show you how you're going to promote these businesses and make money online. Now in today's video, I'm going to be using Zotrim as an example, and you can use the same technique with any other brand that is being shown here. Let me explain very quickly how this affiliate program works. Now, you can sign up for free and use it to advertise different items that are produced and supplied by Zotrim. As you can see, they have a ton of different products and solutions to help individuals lose weight on the official Zotrim websites. Now, customers are able to choose from all these different products and packages, and you have the opportunity to promote them as an affiliate, generating sales and revenue regularly. One of the reasons why I like to promote Zotrim is that they provide fast and free shipping internationally, which means you're going to get a lot of sales, a lot of customers, and a lot of conversions. Now, these customers come from all around the world, and a lot of them will like to buy these products because they do give free and fast shipping in all countries. And they're offering high commissions. Average order value is about $200. They have 22.7% conversion rate. Now, it sells fast. It's absolutely amazing. If you guys want to earn even more money online every single day, over $1,000 every day, then make sure you check our description box down below. We have a great surprise for you guys there that I know you guys will love, so make sure you check the description box down below. Also, I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what is your favorite or preferred payment method so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Now let's keep going then.
Now, let me demonstrate the payment options and the timetable. And as you can see, they buy weekly payouts on the 1st and 15th of each month. Now, your money is going to be sent to you 2 times every month using bank transfers, Skrill, Bitcoin, and wire transfer as well. Now, a lot of different affiliates from a lot of different countries around the world are already making a lot of money by doing this. You're going to see here up to $66,000 and $500 per year just by promoting a single product. So if you want to start promoting Zotrim and earning commission like this one, all you have to do is click on this orange join more niche to promote Zotrim button. And then after that, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to register for a completely brand new account. Now, registration is free, so you're not even going to pay for anything. Don't even worry about that. And it's important that you choose affiliate under partner type because we are going to be joining as an affiliate and we're going to be receiving commissions. So to sign up for completely free, you're going to click on this button and then you're going to give your first and your last name, your email address, and your password. And you also have to read the policies and the terms and the conditions and agree to them, and from there I'm going to show you how you're going to earn $2 per click and how you're going to make up to $50 per sale over and over again on Zotrim. And now that you've made your free account and you have your affiliate links for commission earning purposes, we're going to go on to step 2 where you're going to visit the website findaforum.net. Once you get on this website, I want you to go to the top and select the categories button. And this is going to take you to this page where you're going to find a ton of forum categories in a ton of different areas like art, literature, health, shopping, and e-commerce, music, and so on and so forth. Now, if we try to promote Zotrim, which is a weight loss product, we're going to get a lot of traffic and people to click on our link. So for every click, we're going to earn $2. And if we make a purchase, or if someone else makes a purchase, we can earn $50 per sale on a daily basis. Now, all I want you to do is click on this link, Dieting and Weight Loss, and which is going to take you to this page where you're going to see that there are a ton of different forums. You're going to see a list of all the different forums you can join here. You're going to get a lot of people to click on your link. Now, there are hundreds of thousands of users on all of these different forums. And so the approach is you're going to join as many as you can since they are all free and available to everyone. And let's just state that if you want to join this forum, all you have to do is click on the visit forum link, and this is going to take you to the official website, which you're going to see over here, where people are talking about different topics and asking and answering questions about weight loss. Now, this is the greatest opportunity that is available on the market right now. You can easily sign up for this forum and begin posting without any experience needed. When people click on your link, for Zotrim, you're going to make $2 per click, and when they buy any item from this website, you're going to make $50 every single purchase. For example, if you want to create a free account on this forum, all you have to do is click on the link that says register by clicking here. It is free. You're only going to need to click this, which is then going to take you to this page. So make sure you read the rules and click agree before clicking the register button. Then all you have to do is provide a username. You're going to set up a password and an email address, and then you're going to fill up some brief information about your weight and other characteristics. Now, they want to make sure that you're a real person who joins the forum and that you are not a robot. And after you enter all of your personal information, you're going to click the finish the registration button, and then that is going to take you to your account. That is how you can join the forum. And again, they operate just like any other forum website. Best thing about findaforum.net is that they can find you a ton of different forums and a ton of different categories. You're going to simply join them all here to see everything on one website. And as soon as you create a free account, the next step is to make a post. You can do this by using a template or by posting something to the forum. Now, you can go back to any forum you like, submit your template there. You can see here that there are millions of people clicking on the postings that are currently being made. So in essence, you are sharing with them the greatest advice on how you can lose weight quickly without dieting. Before we finish up, if you're having fun with today's video, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. Now, they're going to believe your advice because you're going to give it to them for completely free. and being able to show that you're an expert by providing them with weight loss recommendations, making a recommendation to them at the end is very important and is the only logical and natural thing to do. Make sure to change this with your affiliate link. As you can see, as soon as you've made all the necessary changes to your affiliate links in this template, all you have to do is highlight everything, copy, go back to the forum that you want to post it to, and you can use this technique and post this as many communities as you can. Just copy and paste the template anytime, anywhere, and then people are going to trust you and not ban you because you are providing value to other people. Then after they click on your link, you're going to receive $2 for every click, and on top of that, if they buy anything, you're going to earn $50 for every single sale. Again, this method is tested and tried by many people from all over the world, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.